It's just that when the camera turns on, a different side of the person shows up. And that's not what people want to see. If you notice, most people that have made it or are currently making it, and maybe you put them in the category of influencers, is because they're being themselves. The people want to relate to someone like them. Whether your vocabulary is not as extensive as someone else, that's okay. There's a market for that. Maybe you have a deep accent. That's okay. There's a market for that. You know, maybe you have a sexy white beard. That's okay. There's a market for that. What I'm saying is, you just got to be you.